Today we're taking a trip to Wat Mongkolrat, which is a local temple here in Surin, Thailand. We went there last year.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough,
turn left. Take the next left.
There's a problem for our car, not for this, except it would be all muddy.
Yeah, Wat Mongkhorat, yeah. Turn left. This road, I think this good.
Army guys
Go to this, I think
parked
go to
right in the middle of the road.
Continue for 1.5 kilometers. In 400 meters, turn left.
Oh, Wat Mongkhorat, yeah. Yeah.
In 200 meters, turn right.
And park and walk inside the temple.
Take the next left, then make a U-turn.
No.
Good day, everybody. We're at Wat Mongkolrat today. We came here last year and the pagoda wasn't finished, the painting and everything. So we're back today. We're gonna see if everything is finished and report.
Searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memory.
We're in the Surin province, so there's a lot of representation of elephants here. And I'll have to look up the name for the three-headed elephant. I've forgotten it already. These guys are big though. You see I'm walking alongside. And they're quite a bit bigger than I am. You see all along the surrounding of the pagoda here is lined with laterite stone. And surprisingly, from when we were here last year, none of this is painted yet. I'm surprised in that. Not much change. It must be a financial deal. These are all the statues or symbols, if you will, that represent the birth years for everybody. And I am the year of the snake. It's based on the last digit of your birth year. Mine is 53. And Jai is the rabbit. And hers is a 4, 64. Okay, this is nice little huts that are here so you can view the garden. And the name of the garden is
Phra Garden.
That's why I didn't say it.
In Thai.
No, the nagas are not painted. It may be a primer.
Yeah, this one.
They're going to be a lot more colorful than this when they're finished, but they've primered and the stones are painted that they're on.
searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless
Here's where the big progress is on this pagoda, is the woodwork inside is nearly done now. When we were here last, there was very little done inside here. We can still wear our shoes because the flooring is not complete yet. You see pictures and what have you are not installed yet. It's absolutely gorgeous woodwork though. So all the wood's in place, but it doesn't have its finish put on it yet. You can see even the chandeliers are still covered in plastic. So it's been a long process. It was about 6 months ago that we were here. Showing you a little close-up of the design of the exterior. This is going to be quite a paint job whenever they do actually do this. And when they do all the steps and everything with whatever product they use. But you can see the detail. It's quite elaborate. It's possible that these nagas are possibly finished like this, but I would think there's a lot more color going to go into them. You see there's multiple colors of gray. All I can tell you is that we're going to have to come back again another time and see when this is all painted and all the finishes done inside, because it's going to be absolutely beautiful. It's got lighting in it that you can see from my previous video. Okay, when we were here last time, like I say, it was 6 months ago, this was brand new construction. And they have made progress. They've actually got stairs and a walkway that go out to it now. And as you can see, this is a continuation of the moat that goes around the temple. It goes on around behind this as well. I see the princess is here today too. She's over here filming, walking by the bridge. That's Princess Jai. In this grass, there's laterite stone that runs the entire length. You can see pieces of it that stick up. Well, no, you can see me. You can see pieces of it there now through the grass. Now that's why I'm thinking the naga around the pagoda is all going to be painted, because all of these are. There's little stairways or steps that go down to the water. I assume this would be for some sort of ceremonies.
A lot of fish.
Yeah, because the steps continue going down. Jai says there's a lot of fish in there. We'll go take a look. Oh yeah, you can see, I see some koi in there and other bigger fish as well, and some tiny little guys. They may be coming around here thinking we're going to give them something to eat. Fooled you. We got nothing. Okay, standing in the area here right next to the canal and the steps is a view panning across this area here. It's going to be so pretty when it's done. The temple here is really big. I was shocked how big this is, and I didn't know about it. I don't know if you can see it from this far away. We're up on the bridge. But this thing is loaded with fish. They're all over out there. We'll have to bring a little food with us next time. Didn't think about it.
Maybe Michael can come here. Feed the fish.
Yeah, we'll tell Michael to come here and feed the fish.
Okay, I don't know.
This is a nice little area inside the temple grounds after we cross the bridge. Jai talked to one of the staff here, and the carpenters that are doing the work over here on the pagoda and nagas are from Cambodia, so they aren't able to be here all the time. Jai is making a donation here for feeding the fish. It says 20 baht. If you can afford more, then that be the case, but we can do 20 baht each time we come. More of the structures that are inside the temple grounds. Sorry for the sun. It's going to be right behind us. I'm taking off my shoes to go up. I'm sure I'm supposed to. I'm trying to be quiet in here. I think I lost Jai when I ducked inside. She didn't know where I went. This temple is huge. I mean, I'm sure I was impressed with it last time I was here, but it just seemed it's much bigger. lot of soy dogs.
เดี๋ยวมาติดตามกิจกรรมความเคลื่อนไหวในพื้นที่จังหวัดสุรินทร์ค่ะนะคะวันก่อนนะคะทางอสมเนาะของในพื้นที่ของเทศบาลสุรินทร์ก็ได้ไปลงทุนพัฒนาศักยภาพทางด้านในการพัฒนาเขตเทศบาลเมืองสุรินทร์นะคะที่เป็นสุรินทร์ก็เป็นการประชุมเพื่อคุยกันในเรื่องของการป้องกันควบคุมโรคติดเชื้อไวรัสซิก้าเป็นต้นของ
We donate already.
They got the really big catfish are over here in this side. They probably have them separated so they don't eat the smaller ones. These guys are huge. Kind of hard to tell if we're up on a bridge. This is such a beautiful place and the progress is moving rather slowly. So if you're ever in the area, please stop by and make a donation to help them to be able to complete their mission here. It's going to be really nice when it's done.
ขอบคุณเพื่อนๆมากๆนะคะที่ได้มาเยี่ยมชมวัดพระธาตุเจดีย์ศรีมงคลรัตน์นะคะที่จังหวัดสุรินทร์ค่ะเพื่อนๆมาเยี่ยมชมได้นะคะตอนนี้เราติดตามความก้าวหน้านะคะว่าการก่อสร้างไปถึงไหนแล้วก็ถ้าเพื่อนๆอยากจะมาเยี่ยมชมหรือช่วยบริจาคให้ทางพระเจดีย์ได้เสร็จเรียบร้อยในเร็ววันก็เชิญได้นะคะท่านผู้มีจิตศรัทธาที่จะมาร่วมบริจาคหรือมาเยี่ยมชม
Okay, we hope you enjoyed this content. It's a beautiful temple to come to. If you did, would you please reach down and mash the like and subscribe? Doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.
We're out.